Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites: Ubuntu 22.04, a static IP, and sudo rights. Once confirmed, update packages and install Bind9 and Bind9 utils with apt. This provides the DNS server and diagnostic tools. Make an immediate backup of /etc/bind so you can revert changes if needed. While you install, think about your /reverse zones and the network interface to bind to. This first step puts the server files in place and protects you from accidental misconfiguration as you continue. Next, you edit named conf options to control recursion, forwarders, listen on, and allow query so your server answers only intended clients. Then declare your zones in named conf local, adding forward and reverse zone stanzas. Create zone files under /etc/bind with a proper SOA, NS, a records for hosts, and PTR records for reverse lookup. Increment the serial on each change. After editing, run named checkconf and named checkzone to catch syntax or record errors before restarting Bind9 to apply the configuration. Once your files validate, restart and enable Bind9 so it runs across reboots. You then verify operations using dig or ens lookup against your server for forward and reverse queries. Do this locally and from a client to confirm network reachability. Make sure your zone serials increment after edit so slaves and caches refresh. If things go wrong, check /var/log/syslog for bind errors, rerun name checkconf and name checkzone, and confirm firewall ports 53 UDP/TCP and IP binding. These steps resolve the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.